So in this video we're going to be doing a cafe wind barrier, just the 1 meter. So Bill's got all his stuff laid out. So we got the insert, so just a heavyweight bag just to help. So they're the poles, they go inside the insert, a screwdriver with the hex head and tin of spray, and then we got the frame. So over to you, Bill.
Yep, so first and foremost, we're going to take the little poles and we're only going to thread one.
So those poles are in the box with the frame?
In the box with the frame, so they should come ready to fit this frame. So they're measured up, as you can see.
Different heights, yep.
Different heights. As you can see on the on our thing, on our skin. So they suit, they fit.
Yep.
Yep. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna thread the top one. So obviously this is the side that's on the inside showing. Why we have that is because of the stitch. It's a little bit hard to see, but if we flip it over, see how
Just
that
a little tab, yep.
has a tab bit. So when we have our barrier standing up, this is on the inside, the tab bit is on the outside.
Yep.
So we're just gonna thread, I'm just gonna flip it so you can see. Just gonna thread one pole through, all the way through, like so. Yep. And then this one is going to get threaded on to our frame. Okay, so this is going to get threaded onto here. First and foremost though, I need to remove the rest of these pieces that will hold our frame in to place. I'll just quickly remove those. Pretty quick. Especially when you got one of these bad boys. Pretty quick. There is one tool I forgot to pull out to show you, but I'll show you in a second. Just get this job done. So I'll just thread this one on. So that's threaded that on, and it's going to look awesome with them. So I'll just add the other poles. Me, I always start with the side ones, but it really doesn't matter. Well, it kind of does, like for me it does, like because I have a specific way of doing things all the time. So it really does matter for me. So just put it in there. And slide through that one as well. Yep. And then I'm going to put on a side. And that's what the spray is for, but a silicone. And it just helps. Just helps slide through. Just slide it up, and then line it up and screw those ones in. So just going to screw one in here. One.
And with those screws, you don't obviously screw them in all the way, it's just still keep them a little bit loose.
Just that so that, you know, you still got a bit of play.
Yep.
Until we get it all together, all four sides together. The last thing you want to do is tighten it up, and then you've got to loosen it up again because it's not quite fitting. So that's that side. Put the side on. Oh, just again, sorry. Sometimes you don't have to, but it really pays us to put it on, to be honest. Just gonna slide that way. This was our magic tool that I forgot to show you, but I'm showing you now. So, and obviously, all you're doing is you just put it over into this loop here, or into this crease here, or edge, and then just rest it and just push down. And as you can see, now I can screw one in. Yeah, and if you can chuck one of those, chuck that. That's what this is for too. It's just to hold. Put a bit of weight down that end just to hold it down. And yeah. Sorry guys, been a bit rusty on the 1 meter ones. Haven't done one in a while. Always doing the 2 meter ones. But they're basically the same. Thanks, Steve. Get in there.
So sometimes an extra set of hands helps.
Definitely helps. Definitely does help. But yeah, normally you do the job by yourself, so. But yeah, having an extra pair of hands really does benefit you. Makes your job a lot easier and a lot quicker. I guess and just being prepared too.
Yeah.
Saying that, it's been a long day today. Done a few videos. Done a bit of work.
So that silicone obviously helps, just it slides it in a lot easier, doesn't it?
Surely does. I'm just gonna go slow on this bit because it does feel a lot tight, really tight. So I've just got to double check and make sure. Oh, you see that fits pretty nice. Look at that. It's just gonna let it go, babe. Okay. See, it does fit really nice.
Yep.
So I'm just gonna go. And so I don't even need Stephen's help this time.
So start in the middle just helps. Does it help a little bit easier?
Well, it holds it.
Yep.
Does hold it. You know, and then I can just look at that. I can just use my armpit really. You know, it's not that I'm strong or anything. It's just the technique that I've learnt to make it a little bit easier. I learnt a few. You know, I learnt from Kel and learnt from Tim, so I was able to put a bit of spin on my own. So basically, that's it. I mean, we can go around and tighten everything up now if you want. But basically it's done. I'm just gonna lift it and give you the quick. That's
So-
the end result.
And result of a 1 metre wind barrier. Thanks,
Yeah.
Bill.
Cheers.